Hi,
Hello,
I'm Kristen.
nice to meet you.
Nice
I'm
to meet you.
Elizabeth.
What's up?
Give you a copy of my resume. Copy of my resume.
And what position are you applying for?
Medical billing insurance coding receptionist.
Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
I'm currently attending comprehensive training systems for medical billing insurance front receptionist area.
And what have you learned there so far? What have you been studying?
I've been doing human anatomy, the skeletal, muscular, nervous. I've learned medical terminology, abbreviations.
Okay. Tell me a bit about your work experience. Your last place that you worked at was Trace Data.
Yes, I was in collections. I was calling to verify employment on individuals.
Okay. And you haven't worked since August of 2010.
No, I have not.
Can you explain that?
I unfortunately could not find a position I applied for.
Okay. And why did you leave your last position?
I was let go due to lack of experience.
Okay.
Can you, if I was to call your last employer about your attendance, what would they say?
I was dependable.
I have a lot of candidates who are interested in this position. So what sets you apart from them?
I'm a team player. I'm a hard worker, dependable.
What would you say is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength? Organizational skills. Team player. Hardworking, dependable.
What's your biggest weakness?
Perfectionist.
Explain a situation to me where your supervisor corrected something that you did and how you handled that and how you performed afterwards.
I put together an Excel spreadsheet and I wasn't sure of how to put it together, so I asked other team players how to make more corrections on it to make sure it was correct for going out into the system.
Okay.
Can you define confidentiality?
Meaning if I say something to you, it stays with you and that does not go anywhere else.
We see a lot of patients here. And sometimes your day is if somebody calls in sick, is to cover that individual who's out sick. How do you prioritize your task? Or how would you prioritize a task?
I used to use Outlook and there's a task finder on there. And the most priority would go on top.
Okay, what is one of your weaknesses?
Perfectionist. I'm trying to be a perfectionist.
What kind of salary are you looking for?
Whatever the going rate is.
Would you accept $9 an hour?
Yes.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, do you have any questions or concerns for me?
No.
I do like to present to you. I do have a portfolio I put together. Would you like to see it?
Sure. And where did you put this together?
I put it together at home.
Okay. And what are these awards from?
These are from school and my prior experience with Petco.
Okay.
And some I do have a performance sheet in the back as well from my insurance company where I carried 14 years experience.
All right, thank you for coming in.
All right, thank
Nice
you.
to meet you, Elizabeth.